Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update here on Nvidia Corporation, ticker is NVDA, trading on the Nasdaq. We had here plus 5% on Friday, and yeah, but we are still here in a correction movement to the downside. I want to explain you here where I think the price will bottom in before we see maybe the next all-time highs for Nvidia, or if this is the beginning of a bigger crash. Everything what I say here is of course based on the chart and not financial advice. Yeah guys, then let's start here with the indicators, and before I enable my drawings. So the peak was in for Nvidia here at $153. Of course this is a split adjusted price, and this is what we have now here in the chart. We have a lot of orange fields to the downside, orange lines. These orange lines, guys, are open gaps to the downside, and yeah, usually the algo have to fill those open gaps. So that does not mean that we will come back here to $10, something like that. I just explain you that the algos have to fulfill some of their price goals. As long as Nvidia is in an uptrend, there is no reason that we fill those gaps here to the downside, but a few of them, guys. So we have to understand where the accumulation zone is. The big boys, the big market makers don't want to buy here at the high price levels. They want to bring the price down to accumulate their positions to make even more profits, guys. So let's check where is here a possible potential price range. When we start here with the daily chart, guys, you can see also here the EMA lines, and we try now to regain strength here back over the black EMA line. This is the moving average here of 200 days. You can see we had a fake out once. Here's the next fake out that was a much bigger one, and we try now here to close again over the EMA 200 day lines. Yes, we closed here on Friday above $121. This is here where the EMA 200 day line is sitting, but we have not yet a full candle body over this line, so this is why I'm not bullish on that. And to be very honest, guys, I don't use that EMA lines for my trading strategies. It helps to understand a little bit where a potential algo support is waiting, but if the market makers want, guys, they just break these volumes here, or these the buying volume which is waiting here at these EMA lines by creating gap downs here in the pre or after market, same like we had here. So here you can see how the price gapped down. Here is a massive gap in the chart, exactly here where the EMA lines waited. The market makers made these gap downs happen, and that's why I don't recommend to use or focus too much here on EMA lines when you want to be successful in trading. When we talk about trading, guys, the main purpose here why I started this channel is to educate you in trading, but I also have a mission. I try to predict here short squeezes every week. So if you also into short squeeze stocks, I mean Nvidia, guys, that is very comparable with a long-term short squeeze, super bull run, unbreakable uptrend. But we have also tickers here which have high squeeze potential and squeeze in just a very short period of time, 1 or 2 trading days. I just had a squeeze here on Monday, guys. This ticker here was one of my hot stocks, or is still one of my hot stocks, of course. And we had here in total a 170% short squeeze. I mentioned to my members that the buying algo zone, or the demand zone here where the buying algos are waiting, is between 25 cents and 18 cents, and I posted this on Sunday. Then one day later we had in total a 170% short squeeze, and as you can see, this ticker came exactly down here to 25 cents before we had our squeeze, guys. Yeah, the week before we had this one here that was a 136% squeeze. Also here I posted this ticker on Patreon, said that this green line here is the Fibonacci support, the demand zone for the algos, and you can see one day after my post this ticker squeezed also 136%. I just release here every Sunday my so-called hot stocks, guys, so the brand new video will be available right now. If you want to see this content here, guys, if you want to learn more about trading, then you can of course join in here our trading community. The full package membership here on Patreon is my most popular membership. You get also access here to my trading tutorials, to my member FAQ section, and of course to all my hot stock videos. And the link is patreon.com/blackbelttrader. Also of course available here in the video description. So guys, so we see all these orange lines for Nvidia, but let's talk about price liquidity zones. So I will switch off now here these open gaps, and we focus here on the very simple chart which we have here for Nvidia. As I said, overall in a macro term, we are here in a super strong uptrend, and now we start to create here a new algo trend channel pattern here. This is this trend channel, guys, which I added to the chart for you to make it more visible where we are. And as you can see right now, we had here one retest of the bottom, and here the first fake out. Yeah, so we left this super bullish trend channel here. But what happened now here with the price action on Friday, we have here now 2 gap ups. That's why you see here the orange gaps in the chart, guys. Yeah, at $112 and $117, Nvidia started to gap up. March is right now a very bearish month, but overall we are still in a bull market. The market is not turning bearish yet, guys. Please watch my S&P 500 video, which I released, because we could see the beginning of a bear market next week. So check that out. This is very important. For now, we closed good, but not okay. So I explain everything in this video as well, guys. So you can see that we now came back here in this trend channel pattern. So we are back here in this trend channel, but not yet with a full candle body. I want to see something like that, guys. I want to see here a full candle body back in the trend channel to confirm the support, which is right now waiting here at around $119. The problem is, yeah, you can see that every time when Nvidia came over $125, yes, we can go higher, but it turns very bearish. Yeah, so the market makers start to sell off their positions as soon as Nvidia goes over $125. So that is very possible, guys. If the market makers don't want to create a new all-time high now, in future, I think there is no doubt that Nvidia will create new all-time highs. But if they decide now to turn bearish, then in my opinion, we will see here a rejection between $125 and $140, guys. This is here my prediction based on the chart, not financial advice. This is what I personally expect here for Nvidia, that we get rejected here between $125 and $140. Everything over $140. So the bull case would be that in the next 2 weeks or next week, that we regain here strength and come over $140. And if we find support here, guys, yes, then we can talk about new all-time highs for Nvidia, which should be waiting here in the $170 to $180 range here in the next couple of months. Yeah, this trend channel pattern is active. This is maybe a fake out. As I said, this fake out may be confirmed soon. You can say we had here already this one knife constellation, yeah, where we dropped down here with a gap down and came back strong. Now we have again this kind of knife, same like here, guys. Yeah, one knife, second knife, and then still we created all-time highs. And that is, of course, what can happen now for Nvidia in the next days. And also, of course, Nvidia will have an impact on the US market. That's why I recommend, guys, to check out my S&P 500 video. So, my friends, that was the quick and dirty update. Yeah, so keep that in mind. We want to hold a price over $119. Otherwise, guys, if we will get rejected here at $125, we might see here much lower prices. But I will do, of course, an update then for you. And being that said, if you want to copy here the price levels from my chart or here the trend channel patterns, guys, this is here everything called TradingView, the program, what I use here for all my videos and all my trades. And if you also want to get TradingView and understand how these chart patterns work, guys, then you can use here my $15 discount link on the premium tier, which is also available here in the video description. So, my friends, that was the update on Nvidia. I thank you so much for your time. I wish you a great weekend. Thank you for your loyal support and see you in the next video. And if you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. Thank you, guys. Arigato gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute, ein schönes Wochenende und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.